In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel WiseCard. I'll show you exactly where to click, what each option does, and how to confirm your choice, so you can cancel a card confidently without unwanted surprises. Start from your Wise account home and look to the left side of the screen for the Cards tab. Click Cards, and you'll see a list of every card linked to your account, whether it's physical or digital, active, frozen, or expired. Find the specific card you want to cancel. If you have more than one, take a second to verify the last 4 digits and any nickname so you're certain you've picked the right one. Click that card to open its controls. This is where you manage the card's status and security. If you only need a temporary stop, use freeze. Freezing instantly blocks new payments and cash withdrawals, but the card stays on your account. You can unfreeze it later with a tap, and the card details will remain the same. This is ideal if you've misplaced the card, you're waiting to check a charge, or you just want to pause without losing the card entirely. If you're sure you no longer want the card, choose Delete Card. Deleting removes the card from your account permanently. After deletion, you won't be able to use that card number again, and any saved details with merchants will stop working. Be aware that active subscriptions or recurring payments tied to this card will fail, so it's wise to update those with another payment method before or right after you delete. Also, any transactions already authorized may still settle, which is normal and doesn't mean the card is still active. When you select Delete Card, you'll be asked to confirm. Review the card's ending digits one more time, read the prompt, and confirm your choice. The change is immediate, and you'll see that card disappear from your list. That's it. Your Wise card has been canceled. A few quick reminders to wrap up. Freezing is reversible. Deleting is not. Deleting a card does not close your Wise account or affect your balances or other cards. If you decide later that you need a card again, you can create a new one from the same cards area and continue using your account as usual. Thanks for watching. If this walkthrough helped you cancel your Wise card with confidence, you're all set. Take a moment to double-check any services that use the old card, and you'll have a smooth transition with no interruptions to your payments.